Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. When there are non-perfect square numbers, finding the square root can be a little tricky because you have only one method, that is the long division method. And I tell you, research studies have shown that the long division method, 91% of the students are not comfortable with the long division method, the pairing method which you use. And even the 9th and 10th class students, when they get a square root of 13, they are not able to find the value of square root of 13 in decimals, and because they are scared of the long division method. So to simplify the things, here is an amazing video in which I'll tell you how to get an approximate value of a non-perfect square number square root using little bit of smartness. So the video is entitled Square Root of Non-Perfect Square Numbers, and you will see that your answer will be very accurate up to 2 digits decimal places, and that's what we need, right? We don't need accuracy up to 10 digits or 7 digits decimals, right? So let's see the method in hand, and obviously this video is a part of our ebook of short tricks. Chapter number 4, we are simplifying squares, cubes, square roots and cube roots, and we are into the square roots as of now. I hope you are watching the previous videos also, which I have already posted. And if you want a compilation of all these short tricks, you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963, and all these details which are written here, they are in the description of this video as well. So friends, let's understand the concept behind this trick, and then we will apply it to solve 4 or 5 questions so that you will know the utility of the method and you will start applying it to find the approximate square root of non-perfect square numbers. Right friends? Let's see what I have to do to actually find the square root. Now suppose I have a number like 71. Now 71 is not a perfect square number, right? So what do I do? To find the square root of 71, I will first find a number very close to 71 but below 71, which is a perfect square. So 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, I am trying to approach 71. 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64. 8 square, 64, because I can't move on to 9 now. 9 square is above 71. So I want that number 8, because 8 square is less than 71. So the first thing is 71 is greater than 8 square. So this 8 is one of the numbers which I wanted, and let me call this value 8 as a. This is small a. Okay. So what is small a? A is the nearest perfect square number. Okay. Now this number itself, let me call this as b, and you will be surprised to know and to find out yourself that the square root of b, this number, the square root of b will be half of a plus b upon a. Now a bit of binomial theorem used there, but half of a plus b upon a will fetch you the approximate square root. Now to find the square root, what do we have to do here? Just one division. And if you are very good in dividing numbers by a single digit or a double digit number, then this is going to be like a 10-second job to find the square root of this non-perfect square number. So this is the concept which I will be using for all these steps for finding the square roots. Let's see the first question in hand. Square root of 87. Now this number 87 is close to 9 square, because 9 square is 81. So the value of a becomes 9 and b is the number itself. So if I have to find square root of 87, I will write half a is 9 plus b is 87 upon a is 9, and all I have to do is to just divide 87 and 9. So for simplicity's sake, I have already divided it for you. This will give me 9.66, and when you add this you get 18.66 and divided by 2 you get 9.33. Now if you check using the calculator, the square root of 87 will be, it will show you like 9.327, and if you round it off to 2 decimal places you will get the same answer, 9.33. So very close answer. Likewise, if it is a 3-digit number, the trick still works. So 445, very close to 21 square, 441, right? So this is A. So what is square root of 445? It is half of A, which is 21, plus B, which is 445, and divided by 21, right? And you will have the answer. So half of 21 plus. So 445 divided by 21, I have already done it here for you. This is 21.19. And once you add them, you get 42.19, and divided by 2, you get 21.095 as the square root of 445. Now pick up the calculators, friends, and check square root of 445. Is it 21.095? And you are going to be surprised. Okay, so now I think you got hold of the concept, so we can work on 2 more questions maybe. Here we have 92, square root of 92. So 92 is very close to 9 square, which is 81. So when I do square root of 92, I will write half of 9, this number, plus 92, the original number, divided by 9. So this will give me half of 9 plus this will be 10.22. So 10.22, and this gets me 19.22 divided by 2. And your answer for the question will be 9.611. Now this is the approximate square root of 92 which you are getting, and if you see the calculator, it will be approximately 9.6 only. If you round this off to 1 decimal place, this is 9.6, and calculator will show you 9.59 something, so it is 9.6 only. So approximation works here also. How about square root of 228? 228 is close to 13, 14, 15, 15 square. 15 square is 225. So we get a 15. Then square root of 228 will be now half of the number 15 plus 228 by 15. Now you can check using the calculations. The number here is 15, right? So half 15 plus 228 divided by 15. Now this is what we need to do, and it comes out to be 15.2 approximately. And once you divide this by this means the number here 30.2 by 2, you get 15.1 as the approximate square root, and the square root comes out to be 15.1 only when you check it using the calculator. See friends, how quickly we could get to the answer, and that too without using the long division method. So you can try now, and these tricks are the smart things which you have to do in competitive exams. Otherwise you are going to struggle in finding out what exactly is the approximations, and approximations are really important for cracking the multiple choice questions. Fine friends, so I hope this will benefit you, and you can find the square root of non-perfect square numbers like this. And if you are really liking all these videos, after you click the like button, just hide the video so that you can award some points to the video, and it has greater chances of reaching the audiences. So friends, subscribe our channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications. Thanks for watching this video, and all the best for your practice.